Walrus is a project from the Sui ecosystem. On October 17th, the project team launched a public testnet, and by participating in it we can qualify for a potential airdrop. Considering Sui's active growth, it might be a good idea to interact with ecosystem projects. Are you ready? Let's go. Step 1. Installing the Sui Wallet extension in your browser. Open your browser and go to the official Sui Wallet website. Click on Download Browser Extension. Click Add to Chrome or Add to Other Browser. Select Add Extension to complete the installation. Click on More option. In this step, click on Create a new passphrase account. Choose a strong password. Click on Create Wallet. Never forget, write your recovery phrase in a secure location. Click on Open Sui Wallet. Step 2. Enable Testnet and receive Faucet. Click on Wallet Settings and change network from Mainnet to Testnet. At this point, we need to receive the Faucet. To do this, click on Request Testnet Tokens. Please note that the Faucet isn't real token. We need to receive another Faucet. To do this, we go to this site. Copy and paste the wallet address. Connect your wallet and mint a Flatland NFT. Connect wallet. Get at least one token. Stake one token to any validator. Do these tasks every 1 or 2 weeks. Thank you for watching the video.